Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Palmolive liquid dish soap. Yes, the pure and clear. Yeah, now this is a very good dish soap. I've used Palmolive for a while now, mainly because I do a lot of dishwashing. It's like that when you have like a family and everything. It's one of the things that you dread, and there's always a lot of them because everyone's always eating. But it was always harsh on my hands, the dishwashing liquids, and they would dry them out, until I decided to use Palmolive. And I didn't really want to have to throw on gloves every time I wanted to wash dishes. It just kind of got in the way, and it was like just a hassle to get them on and off, and to have to go get them and all that. And, it's just a hassle. I like to be able to just wash my dishes without having to worry about it. And I had that problem. My hands would get all dried out, and I had to lotion them up right after washing dishes. I just start to, crack and, chafe and stuff. But I found Palmolive, and it's strange how it's really soft on your hands. It really kind of makes your hands soft to use it. Strange. I don't know what it is that's in it that makes it that way, but it doesn't dry them out, and your hands kind of feel really soft after. It's amazing. And it's just really nice to finally have a dishwashing liquid that actually acts that way. Yeah. And besides the normal stuff, as far as its working ability, it really cuts grease like no other. Grease is like nothing to this stuff. It will get the grease off of anything you got that's covered in grease. This really works as far as grease is concerned. It's really, really good. And there's going to be, after you use it, there's not going to be any residue of soap. I've seen that on different brands, a soap residue that is left behind after it dries. You don't have to worry about that with this. And also, there's no heavy fragrance. It smells good, but it's not like overwhelming smell, that when you wash dishes, the whole room is just smelling like a strong perfume or something. It's not like that at all. It's just a very light, nice, soapy, sweet smell. And it's very good. Yeah, it works very well. And the ingredients, which is great, that I love, the ingredients are all biodegradable cleaning ingredients. So it's eco-friendly, and that is really, really a plus for me. Everything, in my opinion, should be eco-friendly and be good for the environment, and this is. And I'm glad to see that something that works as well as this is actually thinking of the environment when they actually make it. So it's really, really a good way to clean your dishes and everything else that you need cleaning, as far as pots and pans and dishes, forks, knives, things like that. It's really, really a good way to clean your stuff. And I got the idea to actually try this, as far as my hands were concerned, from my sister, who is, she washes dishes all the time and has for years. I haven't. I did start doing it as of maybe 5-6 years ago, but before that I wasn't really a dishwasher guy. But yeah, she turned me on to the whole Palmolive thing, and she was surprised I didn't know about it. So yeah, it was good advice, and this really works very, very well. I don't think you're going to find a better cleanser that works so well and keeps your hands like that. It's really, really a good way to clean your dishes without having to worry that it's going to, get your hands all wrinkly and everything. It's really good, and I'm glad I tried it, because if I hadn't, I probably would be using gloves and stuff. it would have probably gotten that bad, and that would have made me dread washing dishes even more. All right, well, we've been talking about the Palmolive liquid dish soap. All right, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.